When nature's code, written over eons, meets human devotion, every inch of the land speaks to the essence of life. On winter mornings, dawn lays gold upon Poyang Lake, where 700,000 migratory birds gather to winter, their rising flocks so vast they shroud the clouds and snuff out the sun.
我发现白鹤是在1993年冬天，那时候白鹤比较怕人，见到人就飞走了。现在不一样了，是现在这片湖有人守着。
Over the past 30 years, Gaoxiang has patrolled 200,000 kilometers on foot and taken more than 500,000 bird photos, documenting rare species such as slender-billed gulls, parasitic jaegers, and horned grebes.
它不同的鸟，它们的生活习性也不一样。你像灰鹤，它脚高，它喜欢站在泥滩草洲上；大雁，它就喜欢在水里面。
As a key link in the ecological conservation of the Yangtze River Economic Belt, the Jiangxi Poyang Lake National Nature Reserve has built an integrated space, air, ground monitoring and management network. Drawing on big data and cloud computing, the smart platform connects remote surveillance, autonomous drone patrols, and comprehensive monitoring of water, soil, air, and biodiversity. Together, these tools serve as the reserve's eyes and ears. People and birds once competed for space. Now they coexist. What the rangers see is not only the return of migratory birds, but also the nation's solemn commitment to wetland conservation. Every flight is a reward for those who keep watch.
"听，那个小家伙又开始在叫了。那么此时此刻，他应该是看到这边的大象有好吃的，所以呢，就提醒我们该回去给他泡奶喝了。"
Xiong Chaoyong can recognize every elephant by its trumpet. He has taken part in more than 20 wild Asian elephant rescues and helped breed 9 calves. In the care of those elephant dads, the calves are thriving.
大象是有情感的，它也是有情绪的。然然刚被救回来的时候，因为不太适应哈，所以一到夜间的时候呢，它就会大声的去嘶吼。所以呢，我就把床铺搬到它的身旁，24小时去守护着它，就这样不断的去促进我们之间的感情，和我建立起了信任。
Over the past 2 years, staff at the center have used drones, infrared cameras, and satellite data to reduce human disturbance and make wild elephant monitoring more precise and efficient. Integrated patrols provide first-hand data and field samples for wild elephant conservation and breeding research. Humans and elephants have gone from conflict to harmony, as the elephant dads have listened closely to nature's secret language. They've also heard how China's wildlife conservation efforts paid off, as life found its shared rhythm. Deep in Hainan's tropical rainforest, an orchid blooms quietly on a mist-veiled cliff.
这边的美花兰开了，哇，终于找到处开花的这边。我们不会去采它，美花兰是国家1级重点保护野生植物，同时它也是我国仅海南有分布的极危物种，所以我们一般就把样地设在热带雨林里面，定期的来观察回访就好。
Chen Zhiheng, a researcher devoted to orchid conservation, has trekked across Hainan's mountains and valleys in search of wild orchids on the brink of extinction.
因为每一个植物都是自然系统里面的一根线，我们不能等这根线断了，才想起来它存在过。
Paphiopedilum aplutoninum, smells fresh as morning dew. Cephalothropsis obcordata, rich as honey. And Anictoculus roxburghii, mild and earthy. To Chen, each orchid's fragrance is an olfactory gauge of its condition. In 2023, his sensitivity to both scent and form led to an unexpected discovery: a new species, Gastrodia bawanglingensis, and 2 species newly recorded in China, Zeuxine glandulosa and Appendicula ovalis. The finds added important new records to Hainan's tropical rainforest biodiversity. From field surveys to species conservation, this flowering Cymbidium insigne marks a triumph of science and perseverance, and China's gentlest promise to biodiversity. At dawn, the first rays of sunlight break through the mist over Fanjing Mountain. A new day begins, and a troop of little creatures start their morning routine. This is the Guizhou Snub-Nosed Monkey Research Center, the only institution in China dedicated exclusively to research and conservation of this particular species.
康康，这边，来这边。
8 Guizhou Snub-Nosed monkeys live here. Endemic to Fanjing Mountain, the species is under first-class national protection. Only about 850 remain worldwide, fewer than giant pandas.
第一次触碰到前金丝猴时，不是害怕，是敬畏，因为它们被称为地球独生子。我们的每一次触碰，都是在触摸活着的自然遗产。
Because of their unique habits, studying and protecting them is no easy task. Each day, staff hike for 6 to 7 hours through Fanjing Mountain to gather 20 to 30 kilograms of fresh wild leaves, ensuring the monkeys a nutritious diet. The reserve now operates a dual network of ranger patrols and smart monitoring. Zhao Jing, Hou Xiangwen, and their colleagues use video surveillance, drone patrols, and infrared cameras to quietly safeguard the habitat, keeping the monkeys' home intact and undisturbed. From a gentle touch to systematic protection, this connection pierces through mist and travels through time, binding human warmth to the mountain's pulse. Watching, listening, smelling, touching. As countless guardians open every sense to nature, their lives fall into rhythm with the living world. From Poyang Lake to Xishuangbanna, from technology-enabled conservation and steadfast stewardship in Ningbo's Xiangshan to new life at a pangolin research center. From panda tracks in Yuhe's forests to gibbon calls deep in Yunnan. Every moment of connection and every act of protection help write the living story of ecological conservation across China. Together, this resonance swells into a majestic chorus for China's natural world. Its message is clear. The greatest wisdom lies not in conquering nature, but in sensing it, its beauty and fragility, its vastness, and every small share of the responsibility we all must carry. Every living thing has a spirit. All lives shares one rhythm. Sense it with your heart. Protect it with your actions.